farther away from him, so just saying.
So now we have created. So now we have created our HTML element. We have registered it. We took a look and we saw that we have all the properties that any HTML element has. And what we could do is like create a function over here, say hello, and then call that function. Right? We could do something like this. And then call that function somewhere. But we don't need to do that because custom elements comes with this life cycle concept, which is basically you have a component and you have a life cycle. You create a new instance of that component, this triggers an event. We put this component on our HTML, it triggers an event. So what I'm gonna do is just use one of the life cycles, which is element.attached callback. So this is going to be executed when we put our element into the DOM, which is what we are doing over here, right? And we're putting some function over here, defining that, and we can just like how? Create, it's a function from where we need to, like we could do like this, but it's not very readable.
Can you get rid of the prototype?
Get rid of this prototype?
Yeah.
But do we need this? Like we can put the prototype over here and then go like this.
I see. I see, okay.
Cool.
Nice.
Yeah. You prefer it this way?
No. But
No? Yeah. Yeah, but it's important to notice that this function, we are attaching that to the prototype. So at least this makes it a little bit clearer that we can do it the other way. Cool. So just know that this is being attached to the prototype. This is actually not, like, this is the element prototype. Okay? So let's see if this is working or not. And we got this message. You can see that this H1 was defined inner my tag, and I have this. Okay. I know this is not like the best syntax in the world, and that's why Polymer exists. But this is how you create a custom element using JavaScript, plain JavaScript, no libraries, no dependencies, and that's what you get. Once you get to Polymer, this will get prettier. The API will get prettier. But is there any question about this? Anything that you guys feel like, oh, this doesn't make any sense?
The last reference to element, prototype, element. Is that the name, the variable name?
Yeah, that's the variable name. We can change that to proto if it makes clearer, or like, because this is the element prototype, or my element. I don't know. Cool. Ready for some exercise? Some challenges? Let's do this. Okay. So what I want you to do is create a FCC location element. So I want to put this on my screen, and once I put this on my HTML, I want to return Fresno City College position on the map. So I just want to reuse this. Let me see if there's an image. No. So I want to reuse that code. I don't want to copy and paste the map all the time and putting the coordinates all the time, because I don't want to remember that. I just want to include this FCC location, and then it's going to show a map with the Fresno City College position on the mark. So if you were here yesterday, you could use what we did with the geolocation API and just get that and put it here.
It looked like you gave us the answer in the codes.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll work it out.
So the challenge is getting what you already have and put this